I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it seems like they're testing sirens out. Kind of sounds like Siren Head, that creepypasta. But I think they're testing these sirens out constantly for in case nuclear war, which is becoming a possibility in this world we live in currently. Hold on, let's see if you guys can hear it better with the window open. As you can see, I honestly believe that they're testing them out, in case nuclear war. Because since the Cold War, that is becoming a real possibility, especially nowadays.